Hello friends, today I am here to deliver a short talk on the topic that is drug abuse. I have chosen this topic to share with you, to discuss with you because the drugs are creating a lot of problems to individuals, to the families, to the houses, to the societies, to the country, to the world. Coming to the data first, over 200 millions of people are taking drugs regularly at present. The number of people who are taking drugs regularly is so high that we cannot ignore it. We cannot avoid it. We cannot underestimate it. We should take action against it. We should inform the government about it. We should be aware of it. We should be responsible against it. And among all the peoples who take drugs, the number of youths of the nations, the number of youngsters of the nations is highest. So let us discuss about some of the reasons behind this. One reason is the irresponsibility of the youths of the nations. They don't want to take responsibility of their wives, of their fathers, of their mothers, of their sisters, of their brothers, of their sons, of their daughters, and of their all family members. They want to be free from all this. But in order to become free, they are just taking the help of drugs. They are taking drugs for their enjoyment. They are taking drugs for the sake of fun. Next region is the industrialization and urbanization in our country. Yes, it is correct. Industrialization and urbanization both are the key factors in the development of a country. But these are also the factors which help the drug abuse in growing. There are people, there are the persons who give these type of drugs to the youths of our nations illegally. They want to earn money by selling these drugs. And the youths of our nations are taking it without any concern, without any consultation with their family members. The next reason is living alone. There are so many people, especially youth, in our country or in the whole world, who used to live alone. In today's world, everyone wants individualism, but this individualism doesn't say that you just go and take drugs. You become individual, you become independent. There is no problem in this. But taking drugs is not the sign of becoming individual, becoming independent. After discussing the some regions of this drug abuse, why people are taking drugs, let us discuss some effects of this. At the age of youth or in the adult age, people used to take alcohol. They indulge in these type of activities like smoking, drinking alcohol, taking drugs illegally. But out of them, the drugs are the most addictive. Once the people start taking drugs, they are not able to control themselves. They can do anything, they can go very far away to take drugs. In a recent report, it is found that the people who used to take drugs have the maximum lifespan of 15 to 20 years after taking drugs first time. This also results in the lack of concentration level. They cannot focus on their studies. They start doing criminal activities like murder, like stealing, and many more. Now, coming to the end of our discussion, we will discuss what we and our government are doing towards it. The government has launched so many missions, so many plans to control this issue. The government is trying its best to inspire people to motivate the youths of the nation to choose the right thing, to avoid these type of things like drugs, not to indulge in drug abuse. They should remain far away. Now, coming to the point of individual, what we can do as an individual towards facing this problem. We can inform our relatives, we can inform our family members, we can inform all the other persons around us about this drug abuse. We should tell them that the drug abuse is illegal in our country and it is not good for them and their health. They should focus on their work, not on the drugs. So, at the end of my speech, I would like to tell that the youths of a nation are the backbone of this nation. And when the youths are using drugs and when the youths are not concentrated on their work, how a nation can develop, how a nation can grow. So, today onwards, let us decide that we will not take drugs in the future and we will not allow anyone to take drugs in front of us. So don't take drugs, stop taking drugs, and inspire all the people to avoid the drugs. With this, I depart. Thank you.